Hi, my name is Kevin from EZ Generator Switch, and we get constant questions, and we're going to try to go through them one at a time and answer them for you. Probably one of the biggest questions we get is, how do I determine the difference between my generator, whether it's a bonded neutral generator or a floating neutral generator? On the faceplate where you plug in, it's supposed to be marked right there. You should be able to see it. If it isn't marked, then there's a couple other ways. You can get a continuity tester with the generator off and go between the 9 o'clock position and the frame. Make sure you have a good bolt, a clean bolt, and see if you get continuity. If you get continuity, then you have a bonded neutral generator. If you don't get anything, then the neutral is floating. So once you know what type of generator you have, then you can either use our switch the way it gets delivered, which is set up for a bonded neutral generator, or you can alter it, which takes about 2 minutes, and there's a video that you can watch for that, and you can change it for a floating neutral generator. When you change our switch to a floating neutral generator, you'll be left with one white wire. That seems to be another question. These are all in the instructions, but we're just going over them again. That one lone white wire that you're left with will tie into your existing neutrals if you're doing it at a furnace, or it will tie directly into the neutral bus bar in the panel. Your panel may have two bus bars. There may be a neutral one, or there may be a ground one. So if you find that your grounds and your neutrals are on one bar, that's fine, just tie it into there. But that would be the process for the floating neutral generator once you convert our switch.